Hi everyone, this is Vishal from Recon Academy. Today we'll be talking about the topic of Dow theory. Now, these two guys are Charles Dow and Edward Jones, and they both built the Dow Jones in 1882. And much of the technician conquer, the technical analysis, has its origins first proposed by these two guys. So basically, Dow theory is the cornerstone of the technical analysis, and in today's world of sophisticated computer technology and introduction of many better technical indicators, softwares like Metastock, Iris, Falcon. But in the old days, we did not had many sophisticated indicators or any softwares. But many traders and investors have been using Dow theory since decades. So what are the few important tenets of Dow theory? Now, out of the few important tenets, the most important one seems to be the definition of an uptrend or a downtrend. How will you define which stock is an uptrend and which stock is currently in a downtrend? So basically, Dow define an uptrend as a situation of successive rally close higher than the previous rally high, and each successive rally low also closes higher than the previous rally low. So basically, we are having a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and if it is a downtrend, friends, then it is a pattern of lower lows and lower highs. Let's look at a couple of examples. Now we can see over here that this is the longer term chart of DLF from 2009 to 2016, and we can see all these points A, C, E and G. These are all the highs. So basically we can see that G is lower than E, E is lower than C, and C is lower than A. On the downside, if we can see all the lows, and in the similar fashion, F is lower than D and D is lower than B. So we are having a series of lower highs and lower lows, which clearly says that the structure of the stock is in a downtrend. Now if we look at this chart, now this chart is of Mahindra and Mahindra from 2001 to 2015, and we can clearly see without any doubts that the stock is an uptrend. And the answer is why. The question is why. The answer is that we can see all the higher highs. F is higher than D and D is higher than B. Similarly, the lows, we have higher lows. E is higher than C and C is higher than A. So this is a very clear picture of an uptrend from Mahindra and Mahindra from 2001 to 2016. Now friends, all of us know that we have been in a bull run since 2001, and many times many investors come on the TV and they say that mother of all bull markets is yet to come. Now why? What is the reason for that? A very clear reason for that is, as per technical analysis, that since 2003 we have never made a lower low till now. You can see this is the lowest low of 2003. Post that we made the next low in 2008. After that a low was made in 2011 correction. Post that we saw a low in 2015, and after that the correction is still going on. We don't know where we are going to end. And in similar ways, if you see at the highs, the first high was made in the advent of the bear market of 2008. This is the peak of 2008. And in 2011 we saw that we made a similar sort of high in 2011, but immediately in 2014 we made a higher high, and currently in 2017 again we made a higher high. So basically this is a diagram of Nifty spot from 2003 to 2018, and Dow theory is more about how to define an uptrend or a downtrend rather than generating buy or sell signals. So that's it right now from my side. If you have any queries, you can message me or call me on my given number, and I am also available on Twitter. You can follow me on my Twitter handle at @VishalVeda1980. Thank you all friends.